Hi, I'm Wendy, and welcome to 90 Seconds to Thrive. One of the biggest challenges in learning is I have no time to learn. I'm too busy. I can definitely relate to that. I was pursuing my PhD. I have 3 school-going children and my work. It's intense and stressful. I get that. Yet everyone has 24 hours. How we spend our time is a function of our purpose, our environment, and attitude, or PEA in short. Let me unpack these PEA ideas. Number 1, purpose. What is important enough for you to choose to put in time and effort? This is definitely more important than watching Netflix. The biggest barrier to answering this question is not searching within. Be intentional and answer this question in the comments below. If you had 10 years left, what is the most meaningful use of this time? Number 2, environment. Are you creating your playground? Something that poses a bit of challenge that requires new learning. Something fun to you and aligned to your purpose too. Put up a performance if you're learning music. Join a sports competition. Contribute to a project at work or write a LinkedIn article. Whatever you are learning, create a specific milestone or tangible output and make it public. This will motivate your learning. Number 3, attitude. The strongest attitude factor that predicts learning is proactive initiative. Take responsibility, initiate small steps, and just do it. So here is your PEA in learning: purpose, environment, and attitude. If you find this useful, please like, share, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.